This is ColorOS 15, bringing a smarter and smoother experience for everyone. You could be a baker, creating the most delicious bagel in town. Capture mouth-watering photos and quickly organize your secret recipe. What about a fashion editor receiving those blurred photos? Oh! Easily unblur them with just a touch. Maybe you're a legendary warrior, unleashing the invincible power of the Trinity engine. Or an adventurous mountaineer, capturing breathtaking, unexpected moments. No matter who you are, ColorOS 15 is for you.